Now let's discuss what is the limit IP address tracking on the iPhone. So it is part of the Safari settings on your device. You can get there by heading over to these settings, then apps at the bottom, and Safari it should be there available. And essentially this option just hides your IP address from trackers in Safari or during your regular web searches. And also it can extend to the Mail app. And the way that it works is that it just prevents websites from profiling you based on your IP address. So essentially, they just know less about you. It also works with the Apple's Private Relay, which is an iCloud Plus feature for enhanced safety and privacy. You might want to look into that if you wish. But yeah, it just stops the advertisers and like website owners and trackers from knowing just the information about you, right? So if you wish, inside of the Safari settings, it is actually a good idea to keep your privacy, to just hide the IP address from trackers. You can see a little description there that this, like your address might be used to determine personal information like your location, for example. So you can turn it off for from trackers to be able to track your IP address. If you click on learn more, it's gonna like get you over into your iCloud settings, and you can find the private relay, as I said, but you need to be an iCloud Plus subscriber for that. So perhaps you might want to look into it. If you just check out the Apple private relay, then you're going to know more about this. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up on this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.